Hey guys, Joe here. Welcome back to another video. Sorry about that. I was just coming back from gathering some more poppies. So we're going to do an adventure today. And I'm not actually going to be bad at adventuring, hopefully. Just need to gather some dirt. I'm going to get the things we'll need for this adventure. This adventure is going to be gathering poppies. So we're going to need a shovel for getting dirt, some dirt for putting the poppies on, and some food and a sword for fighting mobs. If there are even any mobs, just, yeah, you know. For our poppy thingy, jumpy, ovary thingy. Right, let's go. Yay, turtley wurtley. Oh, I'm sorry guys, if the bottom of the thing is cut out, it's because the screen recorder, you know, accidentally misplaced it when I was doing it. It destroys it as quick as you do it in creative. Am I in? No, I'm not in creative. Yes, free. Why is there so much of this stuff? Ah, the wolf. Wolfibore. Thank you, wolf. You don't know how much this means to me. You really don't. I bet there are loads of beautiful sheep here. But the mean wolf ate them all. Mean wolf, I'm gonna hit you. Oh wow. I killed it in one hit. I wanted a fight, but there are not chickens. Oh yes. I'm just gonna get the poppies in this area, then we will go back. I hope there are no other wolves that want to get me. They're like stuck in a mountain. They're coming from really far away. That'll be a bit horrible. Wait! Wait. I think I just heard wolf. No wolves. I'm not eating any pineapple. Oops. Hitting it with this mutton. We don't even need this. Ow! Off you. It's very nice. I mean, this video. Not as pineapple. It is quite nice as well. Ah, yeah. Oops, I didn't kill it in one hit. Ow. I didn't kill any wolves. Just a hand. I'm gonna run away with it. I think there might be some wolves trying to get me. After I killed 2 of their brothers, sisters, cousins, parents, granddads. I heard a zombie. Or drowned. And like, ooh. I'm gonna look for it. If it was a drowned, I will find it. If it wasn't, I probably won't find it. Find it. You know what I mean. I need to eat up some of this mutton. Wow. Why am I not regenerating? Why am I so hungry? Okay, 3 more. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Right. I only need 1 more. There's got an odd bit. I'm gonna put it just a bit here randomly. Gonna go in my bed. Okay. You can sleep at night and during thunderstorms, okay? Thunder! Ah! Thunderstorm. Now we can sleep. Wait, it's still thundering. Yeah, I'll sleep again. It is thundering. Oh, it's not. I'm not gonna do that. Punch back time. Okay. Cha, 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 cha. Oops. Da 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 da. 360 jump. Other 360 jump. More 360 jumping. Oops, I broke my torch. Just gonna put it here. I'm gonna kill you, zombie. Okay, that was bad. I'm gonna end the video there, guys. So,